Good morning, and I have come with yet another new video in which I will be explaining the below mentioned tools. That is mainly in the previous video we have completed sweep, even though I think I didn't mention how to use mergence option. Then apart from that, we will use the round tool, that is fillet tool in Creo. And in the Creo fillet tool, we are having a lot of options like constant or uniform radius, variable radius, full round fillet, through curve, conic fillet, extended surfaces, and auto round. So let us see all these options one by one. So I have opened the Creo parametric application software already. Then all of you know, I think this is the title bar, and this is the menu bar, and just below you can see all these things are the toolbar, and this is the model tree here on the left hand side, and this is our datum plane, and this is the working area, and here you will see that is the message bar, and sometime you will see the toolbar here also. Okay, so let us start. So to show this option here, sweep with mergence, let us create some simple exercises. That is, I'm going to create a saucer or some kind of saucer kind of things. So just revolve first of all the required shape. So revolve, placement, define, select, let us select this plane, sketch, then I can orient it. Now what I will do, I will just create a center line first of all. Okay. Now let us make the shape of that. Okay, how it will be. Okay, let us use this spline. Okay, I think something like this. Okay, I think the shape is something like this. So I will add the lines to close this. Okay, I think this is somewhat similar to our. Okay, this much is okay. Now, okay, so, oh, okay, not bad. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just make the thickness. So let us use the shell command and make this thickness to some 2 mm. Now I want to make the handle by using the sweep tool. Okay, so let us create a sketch first. Sketch. So orient the sketch. Now you have to create the references. Then only we can use the mergence references. Then we can add this wherever the line is going to merge, that much reference we have to add. So I think this spline will work properly. Close. Now I am going to draw again another spline. So just draw a spline like this. Okay, something like this. Okay. Okay, now we can. So for sweep tool, you first make the sketch, then okay. Now you go to sweep. Okay, select the sweep tool. Then if you want to change the starting point to this point, it is possible. You just click here, so how to change? Okay, you can change the direction here. So, or if you click again, it will come to this point. Now you can click here, sketch, and you orient the sketch. So at the intersection point here, you can see two axes. So just to draw a small circle here. So we are going to create a circular cross section, then OK. So now if you look at the option here, you can see this portion is not going to merge with the profile. So what you can, and here you can see inside there is a extended portion also. So what we will do, we'll go to options, mergence. Oh, I think the thickness is creating the problem. So let us do one thing, cancel it. So what I will do, I will suppress this, or I can delete this. Okay, let me suppress. Oh, I think there is a relation. So let me delete this. Okay, I have deleted both. So let us do once again. So now again sketch. So select this sketch, then orient the sketch. Now again you have to add the reference. So we will add the reference here. Now one more time I will draw the spline. Okay. Okay, now OK. Now go to sweep. Now directly you can go for sketch, then orient the sketch. Now you just draw the circle here. Okay, you can see here now also this edge is not connected to the main body. So what we will do, we will go to options and mergence. Now you can see that this particular shape is properly merged with the solid body here, the first one which we have created. So let me edit definition. So go to sketch. I want to reduce the diameter a little bit. Okay. So this now okay, if you want to add the thickness here, you can go here and add the thickness. Okay, so let us give some 5 mm thickness. Okay, so this is the first option I would like to explain. So next we are going to do the fillet different options, or round in the Creo, that is round tool. So round tool is here. So for that let us create a rectangle, so that the cuboid. Okay, so let us undo all these things. Okay, Control D for default orientation. Now I am going to use the extrude command. So placement define, and select the plane, sketch, then select the orient to the sketch. Now I am going to make a center rectangle. Okay, so let us modify the dimension. Modify. So this okay, this we will make 120 log scale. It's 90. Okay, I think don't log scale. This is 120. Then okay. So this is the extrude which I am going to make, length 120 and width 90. Then okay. Let us give some 30 mm height. Okay. So first of all, what I'm going to use is I will use the last command, auto round. So it is very easy command. So let us use the auto round command. Go here, round, auto round. Okay. Now you mention what is the radius you need here. So let us give some 8 mm, enter, then OK. Just give the value. Automatically you will get the every sharp edges will be converted into the same radius. Okay, so undo. So that option is over. Now next, constant or uniform radius. Okay, so how to do that? Constant or uniform radius. So go to round. Let us say I want to give these four edges I want to convert to some radius with a single click. So I can go here, just right click. So that means mouse you have three buttons. One is left button, then middle button and right button. So I am going to select with the right button here, then left button, so that in one selection you will get all the four edges selected. Now you can give the value here. Let us say 10 mm. So this is the constant radius option. Okay. Now let us say you want to add another radius. So you go to sets and select new set and select the top corner here. So you can add another radius here. So let me delete this. I don't want this. Delete. Then OK. Now I want to add this another one radius at the top. I can do with the round option here. Then select the one of the edge. Automatically the entire the top edge you will get a radius of the size. You can edit it. Let us say 15. So this is about the constant radius option. So what is the next one? Next one is variable radius. So let us see how we can use the variable radius here. For that I am going to delete both the options. Undo. Or let it be there. This radius let it be there. Now I am going to use again round. Now I am selecting this edge. Now you can see the entire thing got selected, right? And some radius. Let us give some 5 mm radius. Now you can see there is at the center there is a white spot, and at the ends there are yellow spots, right? So what I am going to do, you select the white spot, then right click. You will get a new option called add radius. So click on that. Now you can change the value. This 0.7 means on this line where you want to position this. So let us bring this to the other side. I'm going to give 0.25. Now you can see this particular spot got shifted to the other side, right? Now you can change the radius value here. Say, let us say you change this value to some value like 8 mm. Okay. Now you can see here 5 mm, here 8 mm. So let me change this another 0.1. So this portion I have made 8 mm. Now let us say I want to add again one more radius. You select this, add radius, right? So let me make this 0.9. So it is moving, right? This is the position 0.5. If you want to move this, you can move, or you can edit here. So say 0.35. So it will move to the required side. And here you can edit the value, say 6. Okay. Now you can select this edge. Okay, I think So I think you have to go to sets, new set, and you select this, no, delete. Okay, this is how you can add the variable radius, because this fillet is there and this line is getting selected. So if you want to add proper radius, you can use the same procedure to get different radiuses. Okay, radii. So I hope this explanation is clear. Otherwise I will show once again. Undo. So let us say I want to add a variable radius here. So go to round, select the edge. Now you can select this particular portion here. You add radius. So now you can see there is no fillet. It is going to the required edge. Now you can change the value here. So let us give the value. Oh, sorry. Sets. I think this set I will delete. Now this here I will give some 10 mm and here 6 mm, let it be there. Now you can add one more add radius option. You can give add radius. So let us change this to 0.5. So it will come at the center. Now this value I can change to 8. Okay, like this again you can add radius here, add radius. So 0.75, let it be 0.75, and this value I'm changing to 4, and again I will add radius. So this I will change to 0.25, and here I will change to 6. So like this you can add different radius. This is what is called variable radius. So what is next? Next is full round fillet. So let us say undo. I have deleted the fillet. Now let us say I want to make these two edges. So this particular object I want to convert this to a full round fillet. That means full round fillet means here one face is there, here one face is there, and this face all together it will automatically make a fillet. You no need to enter any values. Okay, so go to round, then go to sets here, then you select one edge, press Ctrl key and select the other edge, and you select full round, then OK. So what is the advantage? What is the advantage of making a full round fillet? I will show you. Let us say later on you are going to edit definition and placement edit. So what happened? Okay, let me edit definition. Model, what happened? Should work, no? Edit definition, placement, edit. Okay. Sorry. Okay, here placement, edit. Okay, I think okay, let us double click on this. Let us say I'm going to edit the value here. This value I'm going to edit. So I'm going to make it to 60. Now then, okay, something. Okay, sorry, something is not right. Okay. Regeneration failed. Okay, I'm going to do once again. So actually it should work. Extrude placement define. Select the plane, sketch, then to here. So rectangle. This is 90, and let us make this 140. Let it be 140 and 90. So to clearly distinguish between length and width. Okay, then okay. So let us give the same 30. Then okay. Now let us do once again. Let me try once again. Round. So go to select this edge. Press Ctrl key and select the other edge. Then go to sets. Select full round. Then okay. Now let me try once again. It should work. Okay. Placement edit. Okay. Now let us see that I'm changing this to 80. What is happening? You see. Okay. Now you can see automatically you no need to edit the value. So for somebody is designing something where he or she want to maintain the full round always, you can select this option here. So let us edit once again. Edit definition, placement, edit. So I'm going to change this to 90. Okay. So then okay. So this is full round fillet. So what is the next option here? Through curve. Okay. So through curve, we will make the through curve option. I will show you. So go to, first of all, we will make the curve. Okay. Sketch. So on this face, I'm going to make the sketch. So I don't want to make sketch on this edge because here there is a curve. It may affect my radius. So what I'm going to make, I'm going to create some curve here, some kind of curve. Okay. So before that, let us create references. This edge I want to make the reference. These three edges I'm going to reference. Then I'm using arc to control my radius. You can use spline also. Let us use arc. So I'm going to use a small radius here, starting from, sorry, I don't want center arc. I want 3-point arc. So from here I will start, and then somewhere here. So this is my first radius. Then second radius somewhere here. So just I want to control like this. Now I will add one. Okay, I will add one line. Then I will make this proper tangency. So I will add a fillet also here. Okay. Now I hope this is okay. I will add tangency here also. Tangent, this and this tangent. Okay. To make a proper continuity in the fillet, I have made like this. Okay. I hope this is 39 from here. So I think, this is R39. I hope it should work. Okay, let us see, otherwise we will edit a little bit. Okay, so that is my curve. So I will go to round, then go to sets, through curve, and select the curve, and you have to select the edge, this edge. Oh, I think the radius is more, that is why. So okay, I will cancel it, then again edit definition. So one more time I will adjust a little bit here. This one I will adjust. Okay. Okay, now it should work. Okay, so now go to round, sets, through curve, select the curve, and edge. Sorry, once again I think yes. So go to round, sets, through curve. So driving curve, we will select the driving curve here. Then references, I will select this edge. Now you can see that. I think the previous option also should work. I made some mistake there. So now you can see it's similar, something like a variable radius, even though there is you can control the fillet with the proper that guiding curve. Okay. So that is about the third option. So we have completed auto round, constant, variable, full round, through curve. Next is conic fillet. Let me try one more. Okay, not now. Later we will see. So this I will suppress. Okay. Next is conic fillet. You can go to round. So in the so now you go to sets. Here you can see circular. If you change here, you will get conic, C2 continuous, D1, D2 conic, D1, D2. So like this you will get the option. So if you change to conic and you change the value here, so let us give something 0.25 and you select the edge. Now you can adjust. Okay, so it is not a round fillet. You can see there is, oh sorry, this we will change to 0.3. Sorry, okay, minus conic. So you can change here D1, D2 conic. Now you can change the value here. Okay, so here you can change, here you can change how you want to modify. It's like a elliptical fillet. Okay, so I think here this value also you should able to modify. Have entered the sound of 0.05 to 0.95. Okay, so let us give 0.1. Okay, so you have to select D1, D2 conic. So conic, and you can change the value here and say 0.9. So here like this you can change the conic fillet option, something like the, what to say, if you give 0.5 you will get elliptical fillet, I think. So that is about conic fillet. So what is next? Next is transition fillet. Okay, transition fillet. Let us use the, so let me cancel this. For transition fillet, you have different transition fillet. For that, what I am going to do, I am going to make some, first of all, fillet here. So round, So I'm going to add the, so right click, sorry, not this sets, let me delete the, select this, then left click. So I'm going to add some 10 mm fillet here, 10 mm. Oh, sorry, not like this. Yes. So I want to add 3 fillet, one fillet here, one fillet here, one fillet here. Let it be whatever may be the dimension. I'm going to make the fillet, one fillet here. So 10 mm, okay. Another one more fillet here, that is say here. Cancel. So let us do something different. So you go to round, so select this, here 10, go to sets, so new set, you add another fillet here. Let us say this value, you can give, let us say 8, and you go to new set, you add one more fillet here. So let us say this is 5. So I made 3 fillets, right? So here one fillet, another fillet. You can give the same fillet as well. So now you see what is, go to round, sets, transition. So you select this portion here. So sets, not here, set mode. Oh, sorry, not like this. So let us go again here, edit definition. Now go to sets, transition mode, and select this particular portion here, this portion. Okay. Now you can see round only. So if I change to intersect, I will get so I will show you the preview here. If I use intersect option, you can see this all edges will merge into a point and all will have sharp edges. So another option also you have, so edit definition. So now instead of this transition mode, let us intersect, I'm going to change to corner sphere. Corner sphere, now you can see there is a different option. So now you can change the value here. Sorry, okay. So you can add this value here. So like this, here you can make a sphere, like sphere kind of profile. This is called corner sphere. So this is the option called transition fillet. Transition fillet. I hope this option is clear. I will show once again. Delete. Okay. So how to do that? So go to round, go to sets, select the first set. So let it, whatever may be the radius you want. Then go to new set, you select another edge. So you give same value or different value. Again new set, you select a new edge. Then go to transition mode. You select this center portion here. Then you can change to corner sphere. Then you can increase the value so that you will get it is better to edit, give some value, R1, L1, all these values you can add. So you can give 10, and L1 you can give some value here, say 5, and L2 you can give same value 5, L3 you can give 5. So like this you can make a proper shaping on the edges. So this is called corner the transition fillet. So intersect, and next another one more option I will show you. So let me suppress this. Okay, this also I will suppress. Now let us do another new option. So extrude placement define. So on this sketch, so I'm going to cut some portion from here to show some different option. So before that I will add references. So 2 references I will add. Now from here, okay, flip. So options to next. Okay, now I made a cut like this. Now I will show you different options. So for that, that is the not some default value. See, when I cut this portion, I didn't give any dimension, right? So you go to round, so go to sets, select any edge. So now here you can see value. If you click here, you will get reference. Now you go to reference and select some point here. So automatically you can see that fillet will change to that point. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now what I will do, I will go to edit definition and placement edit. Now I will edit this little bit. So what is going to happen, you can observe. Okay. So you can see that now the radius automatically changing according to the cut. I will do once again round. So I will select this edge, then go to sets. So here value I will change to reference. Now I will select the point here. So automatically it will convert into that shape. Okay, let us do once again. Go to round. So let us select this edge. Sorry, not this. Remove this. Select this edge. Then go to value. I will change to reference. Then you have to select one point. See how the shape is automatically changing. Okay, these are the options for today. So I hope the options which I have explained all are clear. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Okay, thank you.